Many people have questions about DUI convictions and how to avoid having a DUI on their record. What they want to know is there a way to plead no contest, or is there a way to get a DUI case expunged so that if they apply for a job you wouldn't see that DUI case on their record. Unfortunately, the bad news is this, is that if you're even arrested for a DUI, if you do a very comprehensive background check on somebody, there's a very good possibility that that police report from the arrest would be available and it's public record and people would be able to see that. There's no way to completely erase that. There's no way to unwind it. Unfortunately, there are a lot of people, a lot of good people that get arrested for crimes that are not convicted of those crimes, and unfortunately that police report is out there, that the fact that you were arrested is out there, and it's easy for someone who's doing a background check to find that out. Let's say you are convicted of DUI and you want to get it expunged. There really isn't a way to get a case expunged in Arizona. There is a motion to set aside, but most of the time when people look at the motion to set aside, it does not completely wipe out someone's record. It doesn't make it so that the court would then go back and remove the record of conviction. All it does is have some effect where you could look at an employer and say, well, that case is so old, it's been set aside. Other than that, it doesn't have much value, and most of the time that people want to, once they realize what setting aside means, they don't go ahead and do it. No contest also doesn't have any real value. If you get in front of a judge and you plead guilty or no contest, with no contest what you're saying is, I'm not contesting the facts that the state would present. And many times prosecutors will allow a no contest plea in DUI case, especially if alcohol was very involved and someone's very impaired, they don't have a good independent memory of what happened. But that no contest plea doesn't mean that it didn't happen, and the no contest plea doesn't mean that your record will be clean if you're convicted of it. So if you have any questions about this whatsoever, give us a call, Alcock & Associates, 602-989-5000.